Well, cultural sustainability is important because it's important to learn about our past, to know where we've come from in order to know where we're going. Sometimes the past is not always good, but we need to learn from both the good and the bad so that we don't make the same mistakes in the future. We try to look at several things. We try to look at national significance, looking at programs that would attract a national audience, or things in history that have had a national impact. Then we also look at other things such as the similarity with other heritage projects. We try not to do projects that are alike. So we have some sites, for instance, that are house museums. We have others that are photographically based museums. We have others that focus on architecture. So we try to get a variety in what we do. What's called a historic structure report that talks about what it was originally, what kind of condition it's in now, what's going to be needed in order to take it back to the condition that it was in originally. And then sometimes maybe we don't want to take it all the way back to the condition it was originally. For instance, obviously we have to take into consideration handicapped accessibility, modern heating and air conditioning, and those kinds of things. And so we really have to do a report that analyzes exactly what we're going to do. And then, in addition to that, we not only want to know about the building, we want to know about how the building was used, who the people were that utilized the building or lived in it or worked in the building. Well, there are always new projects that come along, and of course, I'm not sure what the future might hold. I do have one dream project that I would like to do someday, and that is some kind of a museum that would focus on the Sultana steamboat disaster, which is the largest maritime disaster in the history of this country. It had loss of life that was greater than on the Titanic, and it happened on the Mississippi River right near Marion, Arkansas. People don't know about it, though, because it happened the same week that Abraham Lincoln was assassinated, and so there was very little coverage given to that particular